Hey, hi, hello. What is up, everyone? You know what today's video is? Today's video is brought to you by this bag of lemons that I bought. Literally just because I bought a bag of lemons. Why did I buy them? I don't know. I thought maybe I would do something with them, and here we are. I have a whole bag of lemons. This video is also brought to you by this lemon citrus juicer that I bought that attaches to wide mouth mason jars. And it is also brought to you by my craving for lemon poppy seed bread. So that's what we're gonna make today. Because I have a whole bag of lemons, I have this nifty little juicer that I have not tried, and intense craving for lemon poppy seed bread. So stick around if you would like to watch me make lemon poppy seed bread. Let's go. Also, my name is Linnea. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. And let me just keep getting closer to the camera. I'm not. We garden, we can, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. So if that is something you are interested in, consider subscribing. If not, thank you for being here anyway. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Missed you. All right, let's go make this bread because I really want to eat it. All right, in this bowl, I'm gonna do 1 3/4 cup of flour. Good enough. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of poppy seeds. Am I aware that this is not like an actual like measuring tablespoon? Yeah, I am. That's okay. And I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. It's so dark. Oh, there we go. That's a little better. I'm gonna whisk it together. I also have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. All right, in this bowl, I'm gonna cream together 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Good enough. I've also got 1 stick of butter, a 1/2 cup. It's supposed to be softened, but I melted it. So, I'm also going to add in the zest of 3 lemons, of which I zested off camera because no one wants to sit and watch me zest some lemons. All right, now I'm gonna add in 3 eggs. I'm gonna move this kind of like out of the way because I need to juice my lemons. Okay, I need a 1/2 cup of lemon juice, and I'm just gonna measure it by the measurements on the mason jar, which would be right here. Because that's 1 cup, so that's a 1/2 cup. So I'm gonna screw this on. Maybe. That doesn't seem to screw very well, so that's fantastic. There we go. Okay. We're gonna give this a go. Oh, this thing works really well, actually. Surprisingly well. Right, now it says to mix in the dry ingredients and alternate dry with putting in the 1/2 cup of lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of milk. So I'm gonna do that. And you know, per usual, I chose the small bowl to mix everything into. So we're gonna do 1/2 of this. Okay, now I'm gonna mix in this 1/2 cup of lemon juice. That seems like a little liquid. Whatever. Okay, and I'm gonna add the rest of this the flour with the dry ingredients. Let's move that a little bit. And per usual, I'm gonna use my mason jar to measure because it's easier. Alright, I did grease this, as you saw, and it says to put a piece of parchment paper in it like this, so that's what I'm doing. Although I seem to be fighting it. Alright, this seems like an awful lot of batter for this. So I might also be making some muffins. Okay, it just says to spoon all of the batter in here. I don't trust that. Because if you fill these pans, they don't cook well. They rise and they don't cook well. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Maybe like this. And I'm gonna bake this as is for an hour. And then with this leftover batter I have over here, I am gonna just make a couple muffins. That's what I like to do with my leftover stuff. So yeah, I filled it about 3/4 full, and I'm gonna bake this at 350 for an hour, and we'll see how it turns out. Do you guys want to see the most fail of a recipe ever? I was really excited about this bread because I really had a craving for it. Hold on. These muffins turned out like fine. As you can see, I ate one. The muffins turned out kind of fine. They're kind of flat, but you know, like it wasn't supposed to be a muffin recipe, so that is what it is. Do you guys want to see this bread? I went back and I looked at the recipe and I followed it exactly. Exactly. I used all the ingredients it said to use. And then I went and I looked at the reviews, and the reviews were pretty positive, but there were a couple of people that said this happened to them. So I'm going to show you. It's a little embarrassing. It's a little embarrassing. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell, but look at that. Look. It's flat. It's cooked through. It probably tastes fine, but like, look at that. Also, look at these look at those bagels I made. Those were good. This is something else, you know? I mean, the thing is, we'll eat it, and we'll let you know if it's good, but I don't know if I can recommend this bread to anyone. So I'm gonna let it cool, and then we'll give it a whirl. Jonathan's trying the fail bread. Mm-hmm. That's what he named it, the fail bread. It tastes fine. It does. It tastes good. Yeah, they definitely saw it. You posing with the bread? Oh yeah, it looks like you're giving it a smile. It's good. Mm-hmm. It tastes exactly like it's supposed to. There's also an icing that I could have put on it, but I really didn't feel like it needed an icing. It did not need to be like more sweet.
It's butter.
Well, yeah. I mean,
I wouldn't want it any more sweet.
Honestly, I'd probably make it again and see what happens. I don't know if it was a me thing or not.
There's just too much noise. It was like a souffle. It got sad.
Probably. It probably got sad that I had to share the oven with the cupcakes, the muffins. Not really. These also did not rise.
My mom made any type of cheesecake. It'd always do that.
Yeah.
Crack.
Yeah. I don't know what happened. Someone else in the review said it happened to them too. So, I don't know. Anyway, it clearly tastes good. Jonathan clearly likes it.
I'm really full though.
Oh, you're really full. Yeah, we're gonna get wings tonight. Anyway, I don't know what the next video is gonna be, so you'll just be surprised, I guess. Okay, well, Jonathan will see you in the next video with more bread. Okay, bye!